Hello student. Last time we have started thiazide diuretic. In that we have covered what is thiazide diuretic. Thiazide diuretic means the diuretic having a benzothiazide ring which are act on the distill converted tubules. Examples chlorothiazide, hydrochlorothiazides. Then mechanism of action we have seen. It act on the distal converted tubule where it inhibit the sodium chloride transporter blocked by the thiazides, and due to that inhibit the reabsorption of sodium and chloride ion. Mechanism action. Two categories under that. One is thiazide or chlorothiazide having a unsaturation in the ring, and the hydrochlorothiazide or hydrothiazide where saturated bond is present. Then structure activity relationship, different points. The second position tolerate small alkyl group. The third position determine potency and duration. Here cycloalkyl group is important, more potent. Saturation of carbon-carbon bond between 3 and 4. Here it gives potent compound. Because of that hydrochlorothiazide is more potent than chlorothiazide. Direct substitution on 4, 5, 8 position. 4, 5, 8 position with alkyl group result in diminishes the activity. Next, substitution of the 6th position with activating group. Here usually it is chlorine. Other group can be tolerated, bromine, trifluoromethyl, then nitro group. Sulfonamide group should be present at 7th position. Sulfonamide group should be unsubstituted if we have done methylation, acetylation at that group, it decrease or completely lost the activity. Then introduction of oxygen at 3rd position lost the activity, and sulfonamide group is responsible for the diuretic action. This much up till we have covered. Now we proceed for the drugs which are act as a thiazide diuretics. So first drug is chlorothiazide. The IUPAC name is 6-chloro-2H-1,2,4 benzothiazide 7 sulfonamido 1,1 dioxide. I will explain. So this is the benzothiazide ring, benzene ring and thiazide ring. So it is called as benzothiazide. Total ring is benzothiazide. The numbering start from sulfur 1, 2, 3, 4, next 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the numbering. Now 1, 2, 4, it indicates the position of sulfur and the 2 nitrogen. One position it is always sulfur, second 1, 2 and 4. So ring is 1, 2, 4 benzothiazide, and on this ring there is different substitution. First substitution is 6-chloro. The chlorine group is present at 6th position. The 2H indicate the nitrogen at 2nd position having a hydrogen, or we can say it is saturated. The nitrogen, this nitrogen is saturated. 1 to 4 I have explained. Then 7 sulfonamido. 7 means the position having the SO2 NH2 group. This group is sulfonamido group. And 1,1 dioxide. 2 oxygen, it represents the sulfur having a dioxide. So this is the IUPAC name 6-chloro-2H-1,2,4 benzothiazide 7-sulfonamide 1,1-dioxide. Mechanism of action: it is a diuretic. Chlorothiazide inhibit the active chlorine reabsorption at the early distal tubule via the sodium chloride co-transporter. It inhibits the reabsorption of chloride along with the reabsorption of sodium also, resulting in increase in the excretion of sodium chloride. Thiazide, like chlorothiazide, also inhibit the sodium ion. As I have earlier said, the sodium ion also, the reabsorption is inhibited across the renal tubular epithelium through binding to the thiazide sensitive sodium chloride transporter, and because of that blocking, the sodium chloride and the water get excreted, increase the volume of water tubular renal fluid because of retention of sodium chloride and the water inside that. The this result in increase in the potassium excretion via sodium potassium exchange mechanism. At collecting duct, the sodium which is retained in renal tubules, it is exchanged with the potassium, and because of that there is also potassium loss, or also potassium comes into the renal fluid and it get excreted. Metabolism: chlorothiazide is not metabolized. It is eliminated rapidly by the kidney as it is. Unchanged chlorothiazide is excreted through the kidney. Then it is used as a diuretic, as an antihypertensive to reduce the blood pressure. So this is chlorothiazide, information about the chlorothiazide. Next drug is hydrochlorothiazide. Same structure, only difference is that here is the saturation, the double bond replaced by the single bond. Similar chemical name: 6-chloro-3,4-dihydro-2H-1,2,4 benzothiazide 7-sulfonamide 1,1-dioxide. Same ring is present, benzothiazide. Position is 1,2,4 sulfur and 2 nitrogen, 1,2,4. 6-chloro, at 6th position there is chlorine. 3,4-dihydro, this is the additional in the hydrochlorothiazide. 3,4-dihydro indicate the 3rd and 4th position is saturated, means hydrogen is there. The nitrogen between 3 and 4th carbon, there is a saturation, there is single bond is present. 3,4-dihydro. 2H, same, the second nitrogen having a hydrogen or saturation. 1,2,4 benzothiazide. 7th position there is sulfonamide group is present, and 1,1-dioxide sulfur having a 2 oxygen. Mechanism of action: same mechanism of action, but hydrochlorothiazide is more potent than chlorothiazide. Hydrochlorothiazide act on the proximal, means early region of the distal converted tubule. It is act on distal converted tubules, inhibit reabsorption by inhibit the sodium and chloride ion by inhibiting the reabsorption sodium chloride transporter of importer. Inhibition: it reduce the magnitude of the concentration gradient between epithelial cell and distal converted tubule, reducing the reabsorption of water. Now, protein binding: when hydrochlorothiazide is taken, hydrochlorothiazide 40 to 68 protein binding in the blood or serum plasma. Hydrochlorothiazide, it mainly bind to the human albumin protein. Hydrochlorothiazide is eliminated in the urine as a unchanged hydrochlorothiazide, means it is not get metabolized, it is as it is in the unchanged format, it is excreted through the urine. Uses: it reduce the extra fluid in the body because of diuresis action, means they are used in the treatment of edema. Edema is caused by different conditions such as heart failure, liver diseases or kidney diseases. Uses, it is used to treat high blood pressure as a antihypertensive. Third drug under thiazide diuretic is hydroflumethiazide. Hydroflumethiazide, chemical name 1,1-dioxo-6-trifluoromethyl 3,4-dihydro-2H. Here 1 is not written, but here should be a 1,2,4 benzothiazide 7-sulfonamide. See, this is the structure similar to the hydrochlorothiazide, only chlorine here is replaced by the trifluoromethyl group. Chlorine is replaced by the trifluoromethyl group. Rest of the structure is same as the hydrochlorothiazide. Chemical name 1,1-dioxo, sulfur having a 2 oxygen at 6 position, trifluoromethyl, here trifluoromethyl 3,4-dihydro indicate the unsaturation between third and fourth position, single bond is there. 2H, as usual, nitrogen is having a hydrogen saturated. Here 1 is not written, remember this, here should be a 1, 2,4 benzothiazide 7-sulfonamide. Sulfonamide group is present at 7th position. It is thiazide diuretic. Mechanism action and uses, it is similar to the hydrochlorothiazide. And for this is also similar drug to the hydrochlorothiazide, cyclothiazide. The cyclic ring is present at the third position, so it is cyclothiazide. Mechanism action, the uses are similar with the hydrochlorothiazide. So this is about the drugs which are used as a thiazide diuretics. Now we'll see the synthesis of chlorothiazide or hydrochlorothiazide. It is synthesized from the 3-chloroaniline. Here the 3-chloroaniline, it undergo the sulfoyl chlorination. By chlorosulfonic acid. This is chlorosulfonic acid. Here the product is formed. It is 4,6,3-chloroaniline. 4,6 sulfochloride, 4,6-sulfochloride 3-chloroaniline, the product. On reaction with ammonia, there is amination of chlorine chloride group, so it gives 4,6-sulfonyl amido, 4,6-sulfonyl amido 3-chloroaniline. And on, if it is reacted with the formic acid, it leads reaction with the formic acid, there is the formation of chlorothiazide. And if it is reacted with formaldehyde, then there is formation of hydrochlorothiazide. In your syllabus, only synthesis of chlorothiazide is included. So remember this compound, when reacting with formic acid, then there is formation of chlorothiazide. So this is the synthesis of chlorothiazide. Now adverse effect. The adverse effect, it from the hypersensitivity reaction or cross hypersensitivity reaction between the thiazide and sulfam oil containing diuretic. Other sulfam oil containing hypersensitivity reaction means allergic reaction. Next adverse effect, it may produce hypokalemia, loss of potassium ions. At collecting duct, sodium is exchanged with the potassium and potassium get excreted. It may produce hypokalemia. It reduces the blood pressure or cardiac volume or plasma volume. As the higher doses, the adverse effect produced is the slight reduction in cardiac output or plasma volume or blood pressure. Next, adverse effect, increase in the proximal tubule reabsorption of liver fluid and solute due to the reduction in plasma volume. Thiazide act on the distal converted tubule where the reabsorption is inhibited, and because of this inhibition of the sodium reabsorption at distal converted tubule, the sodium or other solute may reabsorb, increase in the reabsorption at the proximal converted tubule. Then it produces hypercalcemia and hyperuricemia. The sodium chloride transporter is inhibited at distal converted tubules, and because of that the calcium reabsorption is increases. It may produce the hypercalcemia or hyperuricemia. It causes reduction in glomerular filtration rate, and it may produce the hyperglycemia or increase in the blood sugar. So this is the adverse effect, and it is used as in the treatment of edema and hypertension. Okay, thank you for your attention. Here the thiazide diuretic is completed. In next video we'll start with the another class. Thank you.